Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply tell if someone is a subscriber on Zoosk app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. For that matter, we will simply access our Zoosk app first. So we will go to our browser and we have Zoosk app right there, just zoosk.com, just right there. So the thing is, now it is not just for the paid subscribers. All of the people who have joined Zoosk, have created their account, can see whether somebody is online or offline. Then the green dot simply shows if they were online, and the blue dot shows that they recently were online. And if you want to know the particularly if somebody is paying there on the Zoosk, is that once you start messaging them and you see that they are using some special stickers, starting a live video chat with you, or sending you virtual gifts, you can be sure that they are using a premium subscription, because no one else has access to it. So previously only paid subscribers could see who was online, but since now it's for everybody, you cannot know. So like chatting with them and seeing how they actually use the premium services, you can know that they are paying, then they're in Zoosk and have a paid subscription. So that is the only quick way for you to know. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.